Bee. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants, and are known for their role in pollination and for producing honey and beeswax. Bees are a monophyletic lineage within the superfamily Apidae, presently considered as a clade Anthopophila. There are nearly 20,000 known species of bees in 7 to 9 recognized families. Though many are undescribed and the actual number is probably higher, they are found on every continent except Antarctica, in every habitat on the planet that contains insects, pollinated flowering plants. Bees are adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen, the former primarily as an energy source and the latter primarily for protein and other nutrients. Most pollen is used as food for larvae. Bees have a long proboscis, a complex tongue that enables them to obtain the nectar from flowers. They have antennae almost universally made up of 13 segments in males and 12 in females, as is typical for the superfamily. Bees all have two pairs of wings, the hind pair being the smaller of the two in a very few species. One sex or caste has relatively short wings that make flight difficult or impossible, but none are wingless. Tiny stingless bee species exist whose workers are less than 2 mm long. The largest bee in the world is Megachild Pluto, a leaf-cutter bee whose females can attain a length of 39 mm. Members of the family Halitidae or sweet bees are the most common type of bee in the northern hemisphere, though they are small and often mistaken for wasps or flies. The best known bee species is the European honeybee, which, as its name suggests, produces honey, as do a few other types of bee. Human management and of this species is known as beekeeping or apiculture. Vertebrate predators of bees include birds such as bee-eaters, kingbirds and mockingbirds. Insects predators include beehives and dragonflies. Evolution. The ancestors of bees were wasps in the family Crabornida, which were predators of other insects. The switch from insect prey to pollen may have resulted from the consumption of prey insects which were flowers visitors and were partially covered with pollen when they were fed to the wasp larvae. This same evolutionary scenery may have occurred within the Vespoid wasps, where the pollen wasps evolved from predatory ancestors. Until recently, the oldest non-compression bee fossil had been found in New Jersey, Amber Critotrigona prisca of Cretaceous age, a corbiculate bee. A bee fossil from the early Cretaceous Melitosfax burmensis is considered an extant lineage of pollen-collecting apoidae sister to the modern bees. Derived features of its morphology, pampomorphism, place it clearly within the bees, but it retains two unmodified ancestral traits: plesiomorphism of the legs, two mid-tibial spurs, and a slender hind basic tarsus, showing its transitional status. By the Eocene, there was already considerable diversity among asocial bee lineages. The highly social corbiculate apido appeared roughly 87 MYA and the Allodapini within the apido around 53 MYA. The, the Collectido appear as fossils only from the late Oligocene to early Miocene. The Melitido are known from Palamacropis esonicus in the early Eocene. The Megachilido are known from trace fossils, characteristic leaf cuttings from the Middle Eocene. The Indranido are known from the Eocene-Oligocene boundary around 34 MYA of the fluorescent shale. The Halictido appeared around 21 MYA. The Stenotridido are known from fossil blood cells of Pleistocene age.